early September. We are in Lake Louise now. It's about an hour 45 minutes drive from Calgary. We're here today to hike up the Agnes tea house hike, which is about 7 km return. Should take about 3 to 4 hours. About 36.75 per day. So behind me is the famous Lake Louise with its blue turquoise waters. Back there, that's Victoria Glacier, and actually the melt from the glacier actually feeds Lake Louise and contributes to its blue turquoise water. In winter, which is actually in a few months' time, all this will be frozen over, and this is actually a very large skating rink. So behind me is the Fairmont Lake Louise. It's a bit pricey, but stunning views of the lake. There you go. Actually doing the Little Beehive hike today. 4 km one way, 8 km return. Should take about 3 to 4 hours. Done about 2.2 km, just a little over the halfway mark uphill. Another 2 km of just to go. Only 1 mile to go, almost 6 km to go. This really looks like a mirror, doesn't it? So almost there to the top. Just the final 600 meters, 2,300 meters above sea level. So you can see me there, that mountain that's called the Big Beehive Mountain. And somewhere down there, that's Lake Louise. Should have a better view when we get on top. Almost to the top. There you go. That's Lake Louise down there. So we're here at the top of the trail. So you can see Lake Louise and Fairmont from the top. Shame that with all the wildfires going on, everything is a bit covered in haze. Means that's excuse to come again next time. Hot dog with a view. And of course, chili sauce.
Ya, tapi tu ya.
Okay, then we had our lunch, so now it's time to go down. Next stop, Lake Agnes, where there's supposed to be a coffee shop there. That's Mirror Lake, where we were before. And over there, that's Lake Louise. Very gnarly, hey? Look at that. So the glacier there. Come on, little fella. So that's the end of our hike for today. What was supposed to be a 7 kilometers plus hike was somehow rounded up to 9.5 km. It's a nice hike. We reward the great views at the top. Shame that today is a bit hazy from all the wildfires, but you know, always an excuse to come again.